Hello and welcome back to I Create Healthy Food. My name is Liel and today I'm going to show you all how to make a vegan macaroni and cheese sauce starring the one and only Vitamix blender and the following plant-based ingredients. Over here we have 2 cups of sweet potato that have been boiled, 1 cup of carrot that has been boiled, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, half a cup of nutritional yeast, half a cup of raw cashews, 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink sea salt, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Secure the lid. Always make sure to start off on low speed. Use the tamper if you need to. All right, almost made it to 3 minutes. Let's see how hot this is. See that steam? No heating element, just heats up by the friction of the blades. So I've got this lovely whole wheat Riccioli pasta. You can use whichever pasta that you like. Pour your vegan mac and cheese sauce over. If it's too thick, you can always add more almond milk to make it more of a thinner sauce. This is really, really thick. I'm gonna garnish with some chili flakes. I'm also gonna use some broccoli as well that has been boiled. A little bit of grated basil. I like garnishing. A little bit of oregano. And some Alfalfa Sprouts. There you have a lovely vegan mac and cheese meal. I'm gonna give it a little try. With all the elements. This is so good. Try it, make it for your family, make it for whoever. Let me know how they like it. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you have any questions. Ask them. Adios.